Hey guys, it's Lyle here and I'm in Northern Ontario. We're going to be taking out the Viking sled, ripping that across over to 10 Mile Lake. I got a nice short clip here of ripping through the trails. It turned out really good. I'm going to show you really quickly around this beautiful campsite that we have here before we get out onto the lake. So right over here, this is the cooking area. We have this covering up the fireplace so it always stays good and dry. The beautiful fireplace here with the nice grill, and right in the background here we have the outhouse that matches. I'll show you a quick clip of what steaks look like cooking on there. Now she's flipped. And with that, we're ready to rip out. Amazing. So we just ripped across 10 Mile, we just ripped across Dunlop Lake out to the camp and then straight across over to 10 Mile. And I'll show a quick clip here. This is what 10 Mile Lake looks like in the summertime. We went out on a canoe trip. Came out here, we found a hole here that looked like it was from either early today or yesterday, and we're gonna drill it of the ices. Alright, so I got it all set up here right in front of the island on 10 Mile. This lake has lake trout, rock bass, and ling. We're hoping to get some lake trout. The area that we're fishing here has somewhere around in between 30 and 70 feet. I think I'm around 30 feet deep here. So hopefully we get something. It's a beautiful day out, as you can see around here. And thankfully with this island, we're blocking most of the wind out, so it's not too bad. We came out this way in the summertime on a canoe trip doing the Dunlop Lake Loop. This was the beginning of our trip. What we had to do is we took the canoes right across this lake here, and then into, what was the next lake? Esker? Esma. Oh yeah, Esker was north. So we took the canoes across this lake into Esma, right at the very end of the lake by the lodge. I can show some clips of that, but hopefully we get some fish. The jigging style that I'm going for here is a couple of big jigs. Just like that. And let it wait. I do have a live minnow on there with a jig right now. So although these islands look very cool, they're dangerous to go close to. The sun can melt and bounce off of the rock and melt all the ice in that area, and it can cause it to basically be a lot thinner than the rest of the lake, and then you can actually fall in, or you can fall through the ice, which can push you down underneath it. So beautiful but dangerous. So we've been out here for a couple of hours so far and we haven't gotten anything. We're gonna head out off of 10 Mile Lake and bring the sled back to Dunlop. So I'd just like to say I've gotten past 250 subscribers here, so because of that I'm going to show a couple of my short clips from fishing in previous times at Porcupine Lake and also on Eston Lake in the summertime. Here's some clips of that.
Wow! Beauty!
Pounding, man.
Nice.
Yeah. Pike.
Another pike.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna.
Here, I'll move. Get in there.
Okay, yeah.
Ooh.
Nicer pike.
Nice.
Okay. Take it out. Grab him like this. It's really cold out, so I don't want him to freeze, so I'm gonna put him back right away. Like that.
So if you liked what you saw today, please like the video. That's how it really helps people find the videos, and also subscribe if you're liking the content. And I'll get a quick shot of taking the sled out of here. See you guys.